Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. Welcome to my small YouTube channel again. So now it's rainy day, so we need to make so magugulay tayo guys. Meron akong ano dito, sabanak. This is sabanak. Ano ba itong sabanak? Ano ba to sa Tagalog? Hindi ko alam. So we have eggplant, onion, ginger, garlic, and tomato. So this is the green pepper for decoration only guys. So we will put one dry fish here. So now guys, let's clean first everything, and then I will show you how I cook. It's super simple. So we have here the dried fish, so that our vegetable is tasty. So let's go. So now guys, everything is already clean. This is our sabanak vegetables, and we have the dry fish here. We have the garlic, onions. We will put also in magic sarap or sarap or yummy taste. So let's go. This is our water. We don't need oil guys because we have high pressure, so we will avoid oil. So we just make my water hot here, boiling. So after all, we will put the ingredients. This is their lunch for today. This is the rice. Water is already boiling, so we will add our tomato, garlic, ginger, and onion. Boil na yun. Eggplant, guys. We will put our eggplant. Add hot pepper. Onion powder. And garlic. Of course, ang ating magic sarap. Para mag-magic yung sarap natin, guys. Add our dry fish, bebe. Mangangamoy yun. Mangangamoy. For the ating ulam for today. Ayan po yun natin, guys. So, ilagay natin yung dalawang itlog natin at saka green pepper. Mga 1 minute lang to guys. Iano natin. Ano natin. Sarap. Parang isda rin. Guys, ang ating masarap na ulam for today. Ilagay na natin yung ating sabanak guys. Ewan ko lang kung ano sa Tagalog ng sabanak. Basta sabanak pa more. So, easy lang yung ulam natin ngayon, guys. It's so easy to cook vegetable without oil, guys. Sarap kasi magsabaw-sabaw, guys. Iting lamig na. So, put cover again. Then, 5 minutes, we will close the fire. So, ating gulay. So, I think it's already cooked. So, let's eat sa ating gulay today, guys. Thank you so much for always watching. Hope you always enjoy it. Then, God bless everyone. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, and bye-bye. See you in my next vlog. Ating ulam, guys. Gulay na may buwad at saka ito sa kanila creme. Kakain na tayo ng ating gulay. Yummy, yummy.